Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to go from basic notebook covers for your composition books to something like this. Check it out. Now, before we get started, the link to this template is in the description below, so go ahead and click that and then continue watching this video. Here I have something already set up. It's your class subject, something simple, and a table of contents. And the cool thing is that you can actually change the clip art. If you go to elements, and then there's different things that you can do. Let's say you were math, and I'm going to go ahead and type math. And if I wanted to use this clip art, there you go. And then students can change anything that they want, the font, whichever. And the example I'm going to be doing in the video is this one. This is my Intro to Arts, Media, and Entertainment course. And you might have noticed the background, right? So the way I did that is I uploaded a picture or the background, and it actually took over the whole thing. And what I did was I just got a square like normal, matched it up, and then I just made that white, and that's it. Now to download this, you're going to go over to download, file type, and you're going to select PDF print. Click download, and then it will download your clip. And then in the next part of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I go ahead and put it on the notebook and tape it. Alright, so here we go. Here is my printout. Normally I would have table of contents so that way the student can have full use of the paper, but for this one I'm still going to keep this and reuse it, but I'm just going to do the cover. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Here we go. This is the fun part. You're going to get your notebook. It's empty, and with my glue stick I'm just going to do a line. This is just to hold it in place. And I'm going to cap the glue. Here is where the clear tape comes in. I'm going to go ahead and have my scissors ready. I'm going to stretch it out. And right about there, I do this in little strips. Cut it off. I do want some length on both sides. Let me just take this out. That way I can wrap it around the cover. So I'm going to go ahead and do it for the rest. And one thing, always fold it a little bit, makes your life easier right here. But here we go. You see a lot of it hanging. This is where we need to be careful that it doesn't stick to a page out here. So I'm going to go ahead and start folding them in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Fold the bottom in, and there you have it. You have a cover, and it won't wear off, it won't peel off, and there you go.